Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. South Cebu offers some of the best white sand beaches, each known for its unique charm, crystal clear waters, and stunning coastal scenery. Here are some of the popular beaches in South Cebu. Sumilan Island is a beautiful and serene island located off the southeastern coast of Cebu, near the town of Oslob. So, punta tayo sa Sumilan Island. May sandbar daw doon and pwede rin mag-snorkeling. 500 yung ano, and then 100 yung entrance. Okay, sasakay na tayo ng boat. Basta daw orange boat, yun yung sasakyan. From Oslo, you can reach Sumilan Island via 10 to 15 minute boat ride from Banpogon Port. So mabilis lang yung Sumilan Island, siguro mga 10 minutes. Known for its white sandbar, crystal clear waters, rich marine life, and vibrant coral reefs, it's a top destination for those looking to experience natural beauty and relaxation in the Philippines. Yan, so ito yung sandbar dito. Small lang siya and dito lang usually pwedeng magstay kapag nagbayad ka for Sumilan Island. The island's most iconic feature is the shifting white sandbar, which changes shape and size depending on the tide. It's perfect for sunbathing, wading, and taking stunning photos against a turquoise sea. Ito yung snorkeling area, so protected site siya. So pag nag-snorkeling ka, may guide ka, so 350 yung bayad, and then the gear is 100. Surrounding the island are protected marine sanctuaries with thriving coral reefs. Snorkelers and divers can encounter vibrant fish, coral gardens, and even black-tip reef sharks. Many whale shark tour packages offer add-ons to visit Sumilon after the encounter. Visit early in the morning to enjoy the sandbar with fewer crowds. Bastacuk Beach, also known as White Beach, is a picturesque coastal destination located in Saavedra, Moalboal, Cebu. Renowned for its expansive stretch of white sand and clear turquoise waters, it's a favorite spot for both locals and tourists seeking a serene beach experience. So dito naman tayo sa Bastacuk Beach sa Moalboal. So ito yung parking entrance ng 10 pesos. May mga tirahan din dito. Ayan, ito na siya. Ay, ang ganda. Oh. Ay, ganda. So ito ang Bastacuk Beach. Dito lang sa Moalboal. Kumakain siya ng sea urchin. Approximately 1.5 kilometers shoreline, offering ample space for beachgoers. The sand is soft, powdery, white, ideal for lounging and beach activities. Crystal clear waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Fine din. So 4 PM na ngayon, 4:30. So dito yung sunset sa harap nito, so hintayin natin. The expansive beach provides plenty of space for sunbathing and enjoying the coastal ambience. Visitors often engage in beach volleyball and other recreational activities. Several resorts line the beachfront, offering various amenities and services. Some areas of the beach are designated for resort guests, but public sections are also available.
Kuya, magkano yung buko? Ha?
100. Ano po yung mga yan?
Local vendors and eateries provide a range of food like fresh coconut and beverage options along the beach. Basic facilities such as restrooms and changing areas are accessible, though some may require a nominal fee for use. Be prepared for small entrance or environmental fees, which can vary depending on the access point. Bastaco Beach offers a tranquil setting for those looking to unwind by the sea, with opportunities for snorkeling, sunbathing, and enjoying the natural beauty of Cebu's coastline. Lambug Beach is a serene coastal destination located in Barangay Lambug within the municipality of Badian in southern Cebu, Philippines.
So dito naman tayo sa Lambug Beach sa Badian. So malapit lang din to dun sa Kawasan Falls. So look at the sand, white sand din. Mapino din naman.
The beach boasts a stretch of fine white sand meeting clear aquamarine waters, making it ideal for swimming and sunbathing.
Foreigners din dito. So may mga cottage dito, may hostel din by the beach.
Camping is a popular activity here, with visitors pitching tents along the beachfront to enjoy the natural surroundings. The expansive shoreline is suitable for beach sports and recreational activities. Basic accommodations are available, including homestays and native-style cottages. For example, Lambug Beach Homestay offers comfortable rooms and can accommodate up to 54 guests. The beach has minimal commercial development, preserving its natural charm. There are a few small tents for rent, and visitors can also rent cottages equipped with karaoke facilities for entertainment. Local eateries and small shops are available near the beach, offering refreshments and local delicacies.
Saan yung tinitinda? Yeah. So ang isang piraso ay magkano? Ay, 2 piso? Ilalako na ni Manong.
Lambug Beach provides a peaceful and authentic beach experience, ideal for travelers seeking relaxation away from more crowded tourist spots. Boal-Boal nightlife offers a unique blend of laid-back island vibes and vibrant energy, especially centered around Banagsama Beach. Whether you're looking to enjoy a quiet drink by the sea or dance the night away with fellow travelers, Boal-Boal has something for everyone.
Ito siya, medyo dito sa malapit, medyo busy na yung area. Daming doors.
As the sun sets, bars along Banagsama Beach come alive. You can sip cocktails with your feet in the sand, listen to the waves, and watch the sky light up in shades of orange and purple.
So ito yung pinaka-market, food market nila. Dito may mga stalls na, pero marami pa rin namang mga restaurant along the street. Papakita ko rin dito.
Chili Bar is the most popular hangout, known for cold drinks, live music, and late-night dancing. Many bars feature local bands or DJs playing reggae, acoustic, or house music. Some nights, you'll find beach parties or open mic events, especially on weekends and holidays. Boal-Boal attracts a mix of locals, backpackers, divers, and digital nomads. It's easy to meet people over a beer or during a game of pool. Some places offer fun extras like swing chairs, beer pong, and happy hour specials.
Ito ang benta dito, ang dami laging tao sa taverna. Again, kumain ako dito sa tavern para matikman ko. It's a Greek restaurant. Order their gyros, chicken,
You can find everything from Filipino barbecue and seafood to Western comfort food. After midnight, street food vendors appear selling grilled meat, rice meals, and snacks. Unlike the club-heavy scenes of other beach towns, Boal-Boal nightlife is more intimate and relaxed. It's about good conversations, ocean breeze and spontaneous fun. The Moalboal nightlife experience isn't about luxury or crowds. It's about community, music, and coastal charm. You can dive with sardines in the morning, chill with new friends at sunset, and dance barefoot under the stars by night. This is Auntie Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!